What's up, everyone? This is a day in my life as a foreigner living in Bangkok. Weekend edition. Come join me. This is the reason why I love Bangkok because di mo makutdan og activities to do on weekends. So anyway, I'm on my way there. I'm gonna meet my friends. It's 4:30. Call time is 5. So come join us.
Minsan kasi parang, di ba yung mga nagdadam, yung ginagawa nila parang, alam, nag-ano ko, nag-toothbrush ako sa dapat nag-toothbrush yung dam mo. Parang gumawa ka ng kwento dun sa dam mo. Parang gano'n. Oo, maki-cloud chase tayo sa kanya kasi siya yung topak mo ko na creator.
Nakuha ko ito talaga yun. Mga, itong kayong dalawa, mga po.
Uy,
Wala kaya kung lumalabas.
Rar. Iulan ni sadya. So where are we going now? So event starts at 6. So hanggang So asa jud ta?
ikaw yung leader. Ikaw ang tour guide. Navigator.
I think this is the first one.
Ay, masyadong sa sasang.
Di mag picture naman ta. First stop is this side. So this is kasi tawag diri nga event. Food journey. Food journey by Awakening Bangkok. So there's light installation and along the way you'll get a taste of food or whatever. Wala ko pa bitaw. Basta we're just exploring. What's the name of our street? Somewhat Road. So this is near Old Town, Chinatown, Old Market Chinatown. Anyway.
Grabe talaga tayo. Rain or shine. Okay.
Mga pagkakita kami, wala nakakapigil sa akin. Dito. Pero,
Which one should I choose?
John is stop ka din Sige. Videohan tayo dyan. Mga tito.
Wrist. Uy.
Wala. Thank you at game ka naman.
King ma.
Kami ito.
dyan paano ba?
Ito ko nga. Yung parang yung masa-study. The chaotic trio.
Wait. Ano sa ka, Brad? Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Napunit yung pants ko. Wala na lang black yung underwear ko.
Ganun pala dapat yung i-content natin. Yung magpunta lang tayo sa palengke. Gano'n ka...
Stop over sa amin kay Gigoto me. Anyway, so Tom Jones gutom. So these mga basang sisyo gutom na. Anyway, kaon sa amin. Kapoy na siya.
Buhay yung ano, buhay yung
Ano yung lens?
Next naman.
Ako, nagbibideo sa...
Ha?
Okay na ako siya.
Ito pala yung street food, no? Street food. Kapoy na, ma'am.
Kapoy na kayo. Oh, pero gusto ko mag, Chinatown. Ay, mag... This is also good.
Kinda like spicy.
But it's not spicy.
It's not spicy yet, but spicy is this.
Oh, this one? No, not really. I think that one.
We are signing out. We have reached our final destination. Ay, hindi final destination. Thanks for joining us. Thanks, Scott. Alright, see you guys. This is it. Bye-bye.